Traders, we're taking a look at Nike on a 4-hour chart. So we can see this downtrend here has been broken with this break of this previous high right here. We have a triple bottom or equal lows, relatively equal lows, creating a liquidity pool under here. So what's happened is this has spiked down and taken out liquidity, and we have this displacement, the bullish imbalance, this green candle prior to this red accumulation candle. This tells us that big money is behind this move. So it's a strong move with this push here, and now traded into resistance. And I'm looking for an entry point on the retrace back down into, I've pulled a Fibonacci from low to high, so we've got this retrace into the 61.8 fib, and that's my entry point. I'm going to be looking for quick profits with this one, maybe TP1 here, TP2 here, because Nike has shown that it rallies, it tends to rally in March and then in February, and quite often we see it roll over in March. So I'm thinking we might get another week or two out of this, and we might see some downside after that. So I'm thinking, maybe something like that, maybe a couple of rallies, and then the sell-off. In any case, that's my take on Nike. I'd love to hear comments. By the way, join our free Telegram VIP 30-day trial. The link is on my website. Leave a comment. Love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the likes. Hit the bell. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.